There's a car. Oh, there's a shadow. Oh, the shadow disappeared. It was still visible at first. Hey, hello. Thanks, mate. Sweet just for you. I'm assuming that where I put this, it's going to be visible, but I don't know. Alright, here's what I have here. 5 plus 5 plus 9. They're fairly active already, I think. Alright, let's put this down. Okay. Hopefully that can see. That's interesting. So I definitely had what I imagine was 19. It was too many to count, but that's okay. So it's grouped the top two. So we got put one finger out makes it easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it 10? I think there's 10 up here. Oh, that's coming out. I can't see. I really should do this without a camera. I'll do a time lapse at the end. Alright, let's try again. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to hold it this way. Now there, they have combined. And behind the heater's like, it's got to be 19 heater shadows going on behind there. It's visible base. It's easy to see like this with the other one. I'm going to prop this up somewhere and move. Right, I hope it's easy this way because that's propped up there now. Right, another light there, there. Right, a little light over there. Shouldn't be too much. Right oh God. Right, I'm just going to hold it there. I can see there's, you know, that's, oh, you can't get on the phone, but the shadows of the phone, like a lot of them. Oh, it's not. Okay. This is like just, it's not it's easier to see. The light's too far back. I mean, I can see there's a lot of shadows there. That's my hand like this. Oh, I'm doing that. Look at the square between them. Oh, look at this. The square pixelated. Almost. Oh, I can do this, that's easier. I forget I'm holding it this way. Oh, that way, that's that way. Okay, now that's actually that way, if that's straight on. If I go straight into where the light is, it's more like that. I've got the right amount of fingers on it. Oh, Luma. I'm wearing a jacket, like. Yeah. Oh. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. I'll take the jacket off now. That's it. Wow. It's easier. Can't tell them the right height. So with that one, you can see the phone has got what I would assume quite like an educated guess at being 19 shadows. Right. Would have to be the same. It's really my arm, not that. You can't. So I think it is actually casting light as well as shadow. Oh shit, I just lost some. Okay, we lost 9 LEDs just then. And there should be 9 less on there. I'd say definitely look how much shorter it is. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's coming out on there. Look at that shit. Yeah, it completely changes the. So I'm doing a. That's a 180, right? Facing parallel to the wall, yeah? But it looks like it's going deeper, and that's pretty cool. So if I want to go that way, oh, look at that. That just shot out 10 reflections. You can't see that because I'm filming with the camera. Anyhow, that's what's happening. Clear. Okay, that might be the best way to do it. That spot there looks like it's got the phone in the way. But to my eye, it looks like there's a lighter, there's a, I don't know, a greenish tinge zone at the top, and a purplish tinge shadow zone at the bottom. Because I'm using this side of the camera, I don't even know if it. And even my arm that's holding the camera, look at that. Isn't that tripped out? No, I don't think so. Looks like it in a while. That just came back on, that other 9. Look at that. I've got no arm doing like that. Look at that. I must be on the edge of the orb or something, because look. You see that? What's this? So that's my actual t-shirt. I don't really want myself on things. Alright. Shit. What? Okay. Okay, the 10 of them just went off. I just realised this here. Right there. Alright. It's not one of those shows, but look. And my belt. And look at this. Look at the wall. I don't know if it's coming out. Is it coming out? That's all my number of belts. 9 belts. I don't know if you can see that from there or not. So anyhow, 19. It went. The hilarity continues. Those. See how there's like a light mixing, that's in line with the light that's behind. As I bring it higher, what's being cast by my arm is, I think it's light and then the shadows. It's very weird, eh? You see, and look, that's my hand, and looks like there's a light coming out my hand, which would make sense because that's where energy comes out of, and that's what I think is going to, essentially think it's healing, you know, like it's aura, right? But I think it could be used for, I'm hope, healing. I'll shut up, I don't really know what I'm talking about, but there is light that's coming off of us people. And surely someone else can check this and got this, has this going on as well. That'd be great. See, yeah, like that. You see my hand? I thought it looked as though there was more light, which would make sense because I did some mad experience in the shadow in my garage last night. But anyhow, I'll play that another time maybe. But, yeah. And I did an old push last night that seemed to, when the picture shows it, what come out was more orbs. But yeah, there's that. So there's that. Right, this is in the name of research. I don't know what it looks. Everything's getting turned into pixel on pixel, like, you know, on Pixel Man. Look at that. So orbs are maybe pixels, and this is like this is the digital display that's creating the hologram that we are in. And then maybe you stop believing it's well, you realise that things are simulated, you know, or I don't know, synthetic to some extent, and then bits of it start falling away maybe. It's these. Alright. See, yeah, they're very widely spread apart here, as you expect when they're creating the shadow. Just, you know, further away I go, the narrower the gaps get. You probably can't see that on there. Shit, we just lost. Shit, we lost quite a bit, but now we've got 10 going, right? That's probably best view. That's 10. So we can do 19. But the different shades, so it's very, it just confuses it a bit. I don't know if you can see that. You he just got the same shadow situation as I do. Anyway, I'll turn the big one off because it confuses them. This is much clearer. And there's 10. Confuses them, confuses us, confuses it, confuses me. I mean, this isn't 10's not confusing. Let's put it on it. Anyhow, it's all blind. That's how I understand it. I'd love to know if anyone else has got that. Anyone else is experiencing this. I'd love to see it. Arthur, I'm talking to you, mate. Look at that. It's just been moving the light around like that. Alright, that'll do. That is going through my arm. How does that work? Like, I'm doing that. This is what I'm doing, right? Is that. It was going through my arm. I heard what it was saying. Changed it up. I don't know. Right, that'll do.